Hi, and welcome to another episode of Lex and Candace Tupas. So we're with Mom. There's Lex Tom, Lexi, Mommy Candace, and Ate Alexa. We're on our way. Where are we going, Lexi? Where? Vikings. So we're going to Vikings Iloilo, although it's not new, but now it's with a new chef, right? So with Nang Pauline, there are new food and new preparations, and they say it's much better. So we'll try it out just a few days before Candace gives birth. Okay guys, so join us and we'll show you the new Vikings Iloilo. New meaning bagong dagdag na mga food items. Let's go! Okay, so we're now here in SM South Point as we'll have early dinner in Vikings. Nice, so nice. Oh, the buntis and almost to be about to give birth is here, and Lexi. Say hi. Roadhouse is coming, November 2024. Wow, kuya! You wanna eat there, but you're not here. So go up na to Vikings. You know why we chose to eat in Vikings? Aside from the new chef, aside from the new good food, there's 50 off. 50 off siya until end of July, guys. So, yung nagturo talaga sa akin to be practical, syempre si Doc Candice. We really check yung mga BDO car deals, and this is one of the car deals. So, excited guys, let's go! There's Vikings! Yes! Number of times, birthday ni Alexa, birthday ni Daddy, di ba? Tapos nung nanganak ka rin, wifey, dito rin. So, you know, it's a go-to place here. And it look nakakuha ng memo na may 50 off. Ang daming tao. From Mondays to Fridays. So weekends, it's not. Go guys.
You made that traitor.
So nauna na si Doc Candice, si Lexi at si Mommy kasi priority. Pregnant and also senior citizen. Alexa, for our turn, we're priority number 3. This is our table. Kuya, this is our table. Okay, let's go. So you can see, guys, a lot. Okay, Lexi. Hey. Wow.
Ito tayo, look, I got a lot. Maybe you can
Very
get
good.
some more.
Very good.
Lex.
Lex.
I got a lot na Lex.
Kuya here, oh. Get more. Come on, get na. Ate, get na para your first. The food here in Vikings. So I'll get my beef cubes. She wants noodles daw. Ate, yeah, wait for mommy, ha. Chinese food station is here. Oh, I wanna get this. And then there's fresh catch from the sea, barbecue, regional Filipino food, pasta station, guys, and pizza. And I'll get some food and then it's time to eat. Let's go, guys. This is round 1. So many. There. This is for me. This is grilled scallop, the wifey. And then grilled fish. And then the roast beef. And then a lot of pizza. You didn't get pizza? Pasta. Chicken. There. Scallop is so good. Right? Kuya does not try that, but for the first time. Kumain siya nga eh. So good daw. Good, no? The food you like? Nang Pao, our new chef. Okay? So we'll try more. It's just the food, it's also the dessert. This is your favorite? Of course! And then look guys, so there's french fries, there's popcorn, there's a lot. Lexi, let's just show them first. There's sprinkles. There's, what's this? Wow. And then a lot of dessert. And there's more there, guys, oh. Go Lexi first. Guys, and here's the salad station. And some burgers and fruits. And here's halo-halo. Ice cream. A lot of dessert. But I want fruits, Lexi. You get? Wow! And guys, oh, dami pang food. Yes. And then at the other side, syempre, this is Japanese. Cake, guys. Oreo, mango cheese roll. Oh, apple pie. I'll just get apple pie. It's my favorite. This is my all-time. Here, guys, is my all-time favorite. Kinataan. Yes.
Still watching Lex and Candace Lupa's Family Adventures.
Napangitaan ko si chef ng hakaw. Sabi niya, "Dok, padalaan na."
So far, so good, no?
It's yummy.
Mama, I'll get more. Yeah, so far, so good. The food's good here in Viking City.
1 hour later.
It's manang so good.
Okay, we've been here for over an hour. So, naka round 2, round 3 na kami. And ang dami na namin nakuha. Dessert or the other stations. So, what do you think? Ate, what do you think? Good? Lextom, you like it? Good. Mommy's enjoying it also. So, guys, congratulations to the new Vikings Iloilo. Very good. And approved. So please join us in our next gastronomic adventure here in Lex and Candace Lupa's Family Adventures. Watch out for our next vlog. Comment and thanks, guys.